Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NI EVS Home School. This is Fatematuj Johora, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a class for the students of class 10. And this is our first class in 2022. And we are going to discuss about chapter 1, lesson number 13. Okay, dear students, let's start our today's topic here. Subject topic is chapter number 1, lesson number 13 and lecture number 1. It is lecture number 1. No HW you are receiving in this class, in this lecture. Okay, dear students, now here chapter 1, lesson 13, Akhirat. It is about Akhirat. Okay, well in your book here describing a lots of things. I have make it short for you. The summary, chapter 1, lesson number 13, Akhirat means afterlife. The life to come after man's death is called Akhirat. Okay, there are two phases in man's life. The worldly life and the hereafter life. It is Akhirat. Okay, so we are discussing about this life, Akhirat. Akhirat has a beginning but no end. It is qualities of this the life, Akhirat. This life is unending and eternal. In Akhirat, man will be asked to account for his worldly life. So, according to the worldly life, he will get the punishment or the reward. If he is the good doers, then he will get the Jannah. If he is a bad person, then he will go to hell. According to the work of this world, he or she will get their result in the afterlife. Okay. Now, importance of belief in Akhirat. Akhirat is one of the important issues of Iman. You know that without belief in Akhirat, it is not possible to become a mu'min or muttaqi or Muslim. Do you know what is muttaqi means? Muttaqi means a person who believe in Akhirat and who used to do all of his hard work, but such a kind of thing that Allah is observing you all the time. Allah is in fear of Allah, in the fear of Allah always will be in his or her heart. Okay, this kind of person will be called muttaqi, one kind of good person, best person. Okay, now here Allah the Almighty says that in the Quran Majid, wabil akhirati hum yuqinun, meaning and they hold firm belief in Akhirat. Who hold firm belief in Akhirat? Of course it will be the muttaqi or the pure mu'min person. Okay, and Surah Al-Baqarah verse number 4. In another place, Allah the Almighty says, وَمَنْ يَكْفُرْ بِاللَّهِ وَمَلَائِكَتِهِ وَكُتُبِهِ وَرُسُلِهِ وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ فَقَدْ ضَلَّ ضَلَالًا بَعِيدًا. And if one disbelieves in Allah, disbelieves in Allah, His angels, His scriptures, His prophets, and the last day, one will probably go astray. Okay, so if any person don't believe the fundamental aspects of Islam, ultimately he or she will go to astray, means in hell. So if you give the description in your answer B and C, CQ answer, and if you give the reference here from the Quran, then a marks will be raised. So you can give this. This is important for you. So it is Surah An-Nisa verse number 136. Okay, now here belief in Akhirat is very important for human life. It renders a man's life responsible, pure and graceful. You know that belief in Akhirat make a person pure, okay, responsible, disciplined. So all these things, believe in Akhirat or in the fear of Akhirat. For the fear of Akhirat, people used to do all the good things. In each and every work, he think or she think that Allah is observing me, Allah is looking at me, and we have to pay all the account of our work, good or bad deeds, whether it is hidden in your heart also. So you have to pay. for that. Okay, if it is good, you will get the reward. If it is bad, you will get the punishment for that. Okay, so believe in akhirat. If you have the belief in akhirat, then you would not be able to be a bad person. Okay, and ultimately you will be a responsible, disciplined, pure and graceful person. Okay. Now therefore we shall develop firm faith in akhirat, and for salvation in the akhirat we shall perform honest and nice deeds and lead our life by following Islamic rules and regulation. Okay, dear students, it is very short lesson. Lesson number 13 is very short, but it description or the importance of this lesson akhirat vast. Okay, if you read it carefully in your book, and if you see this note here given in the YouTube class, it will be helpful for you to answer the question, answer the CQ. Okay, dear students, only one lesson we are discussing today. This is the first class, that's why inshallah we will discuss about the next lesson in next class. I hope you are well, and you will study at home very carefully in this chapter akhirat. Okay, thank you. That's all.